Hello everyone, it's me Hunty and welcome to today's video. Obviously I am not in the studio today. Today I am outside getting some fresh air, spending some time gardening, and I thought I would bring you along. So today I'm just going to be doing some maintenance in my garden. I have a lot to do on the to-do list, but this is where I'm at right now. And I'm also going to be working on my house plants as well. So let's go ahead and get into this video. So I have some pots and some new plants laid out here, and then I also have some old plants that need some maintenance, that need to be replanted and maybe even split up. So I have all my supplies laid out here. I have my soil, my succulent fertilizer. I have some new succulents that I just got from the nursery. And then I have some older succulents that need a little bit of love, a little bit of replanting. So I'm also going to be working on that today.